Hey guys, what's going on? Paul here, and in this video what I want to do is take you through how to actually trade your Electroneum coins on the Cryptopia exchange. So this is the first exchange that Electroneum has gone on. So what I'm going to do is just take you through the basic trading tutorial for Cryptopia for people who mightn't have traded any cryptocurrency in the past. So if this is my first video you've seen, I've already done 2 videos on Electroneum. First was how to actually mine the coin. I'll put links to these below the video as well, below this one. So this one is up on nearly 10,000 views in the last week. So this is how you can actually set up your own mining, and I show a few of the problems that I came across. Now, there's a lot of questions on this. I've been getting a lot outside the video as well, so I have been getting back to as many people as I can. If I haven't got back to you, then maybe just take a look through these questions as well and see if someone else has answered it or if I've answered someone else on the same question. I'm also putting together a blog post which will be linked down below with all the common problems and questions that I've been getting. The other video was how to transfer your Electroneum coins from your offline paper wallet to the exchange. So again, that one's going to be linked down below. So Cryptopia, if you haven't registered already, this is the only exchange as I record this video that Electroneum is on. So I'll put a link to that below the video as well. So once you're registered, you want to go into exchange and markets. So you can see here the top markets at the minute are all Electroneum. So Electroneum is bringing some huge volume into this exchange. Quickly, for anyone who's new to exchanges, down here is all the different coins. You can see, you can scroll down through them. There are a lot of them that are traded on this exchange that you can trade on. BTC, so all the prices here are in BTC. USDT, it's not actually USD. It's not actually the real currency, but it is fairly similar. It's just that you can transfer your coins into that, but to take them off the exchange, they have to be transferred back into a cryptocurrency. You cannot withdraw USDT. Same with NZDT, LTC. Some of the coins will be traded against that, not all of them. And the same with Doge. It's just another coin that you can trade any of these coins against. With USDT, not all coins are available in this. You can see that Electroneum isn't available in the USDT market. So let's go back to Bitcoin and we'll click on ETN, which is Electroneum. Click it again. So up top you have all the last 24-hour statistics. We have the latest price, the change within the last 24 hours, the high of the last 24 hours and the low, and then you have the volume here. You have your chart, which is this here. I'll take you through that in a second. You have your order book, which is all the orders that are placed on Electroneum. So you can see here, the big green one is the buy, what people are willing to buy. So you can see down the bottom, because my window's a little smaller, you can't fully see it. But as you go across here, it gets the numbers get bigger and bigger. And you can see the amount of people willing to buy at that price is going down. So people have a lot of buy orders set really low on the coin value. So if the coin dips, then the buy order will automatically be executed and they will buy their Electroneum coins. The red is the sell. So you can see this works the opposite way. So as you go further over here, the value of the coin gets bigger. So people are willing to sell at these prices. And you can see there's more people willing to sell at the higher prices. So back to the chart. Down here is how much time is actually shown on the chart here. So you can see this is showing 2 days worth of candles here. Each of these are candles for anyone who's new. To change how much this represents, this green candle represents a certain amount of time. At the minute it's set to 1 hour. If I change that to 15, you'll see a lot more candles then. So you can see all of these candles then, each of them is 15 minutes. So we'll go with 1 hour just to make it easier. And the same here, it was how much time is shown on the chart. So if I go to 1 week, you can see this big red one was when it went onto the exchange first. It went in really high and then it dropped, which is what every coin does. Go back to 2 days just to make it easy. As well as that, if anything is distracting, you can just click this here and you can turn things off or on. You can put on some of your indicators. You can put on MACD. You can put on Fibonacci or anything like that you want. I generally turn off volume. It's just a personal preference. You can see it makes it a bit easier on the chart here. And then you can see your candles. To actually put in a buy order, what I don't like about Cryptopia is that you can't actually select. Oh, we can actually. So I'm learning something new as well. So if you want to select the latest price, which is 699, you can just click on price here. So the amount of ETN. So if we wanted to buy, let's say we want to buy 10 ETN. Is that enough? The minimum purchase is, yeah, so we're just above the minimum purchase. So I'm going to buy 10 at the current price. So this is the latest price that is there. If you wanted to set a price, so say I'm thinking that it's going to drop, I could set this to 100. And it means that when the price drops to 100, well, not when, if the price drops to 100 Satoshis, then my buy order would automatically be executed. But what I'm going to do is buy at this level just to show you. So I'm going to buy 10 Electroneum. It's going to cost me 7,000 Satoshis. And the fee is 14 Satoshis. So, and Satoshis actually, for anyone who doesn't know, is the values after the decimal point in Bitcoin are called Satoshis after the guy who invented Bitcoin. So let's go buy. So my buy order is submitted and I actually bought them because I put in the current price. Normally I would put in a price lower, but just for this demonstration, I wanted to show you how to buy like that. So you can see I have 10.99 Electroneum now. Let's say I want to sell them. So you click on this and it puts in your total amount of Electroneum here. You can put in as many as you want. I could put in one and sell it if I wanted. I'm going to sell them at, let's sell them at 701. So I'll be slightly at a loss because remember I had a 14 Satoshi fee. But again, actually we'll put in 700 just so it sells now. We're talking tiny numbers at the minute. So I'm going to sell this many for this price. The total amount of Bitcoin that I'm going to get is here. And I'm going to sell. Sell order submitted. So I've placed my sell order at 700. So what has to happen then is, okay, so we can see the last price took a dip there down to 680. So if I scroll down, you can see here's all the sell orders that have gone through. Here's all the buy orders. Here's the, or sorry, they're the ones that are placed. They're the ones that aren't executed yet. The market history is all the ones that have actually been executed. And then you have your own open orders down here. So you can see I was testing this out before. I have another order here for just under 42 Electroneum that I had up for sale. Again, these are all tiny numbers, just testing out the platform. And then there's the one that we just placed for 10.99 and the sell price was 700. So you can see my history then. I have some buy, I have a buy, and I have a sell as well. So that's really it. If you haven't got your coins in here yet, then make sure you check out the video here, how to transfer in your Electroneum. Again, this is only from your paper wallet. So the coins that we bought in the ICO have not been released yet, but that should be in the next few days. And again, you can get them in here, sell them, buy them, whatever you want to do. I will say that when everyone is able to sell their coins, I do think we're going to see a big dip. We're going to come down to around 1 cent is my own thoughts, maybe even below it, because a lot of people are going to panic sell and it's going to be like, oh, the price is up at 5-6 cents. They only bought for 1 cent. They're going to try and dump their coin. So that is all part of the game, I suppose. And if enough people hold and start buying coins, we will see the price rise. And the more people that get involved with Electroneum, hopefully we will see this coin, the price of it, rise over the next few months and years. So that's my thoughts. That's my tutorial on how to trade on Cryptopia. As it gets added to more exchanges, I will do more videos. Hopefully this has been a help. Give it a like, give it a share if you found value in it, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, what's going on? Paul here, and in this